Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how I achieve this beautiful natural look with a crochet hairstyle. It's very simple, and with this video, I'll help you to do this look on your own hair. So my braid for this hair tutorial is a traditional beehive. The side part that you see has no purpose for this hairstyle. It's just how I do my beehive braids often, and it's my braiding pattern when I wear wigs with side parts. So you're gonna need a pre-curled crochet hair, some hair cutting scissors, and the latch hook for this hairstyle. The look that I'm going for is a short full afro curl style, so I'm going to cut the curls into two. One thing about this hair is when you cut the hair into two, the hair might get a little bit frizzy, but again, that makes your hair look more natural. So what we're gonna do is we're going to start by applying our pre-curled crochet hair on the latch hook and pull that hair through the braid. You're going to take that curl and you are going to gently pull that hair through to tighten up your crochet. And this is what your curls look like. You do the same for your entire head, and you have to remember that you have to make a little bit of gap between the curls. That way it doesn't look too much and not natural, because the hair tends to get very full very quickly. And also when you braid, don't make it so tight, because that would make it hard for you when you push the latch hook through the braids. For this hairstyle, you don't have to worry about the invisible root method or anything like that, because as you can see, you're gonna put the hair on your forehead and this hair completely covers your scalp because it gets full very quickly. I love the thickness of this hair. It looks so beautiful and natural. So this pre-curled crocheted curl is from Black Beauty, and it's their wand crocheted curl. It didn't require me any hot water or perm rods. The color is blonde, which is more like golden, or in number 27. This hair is a very beautiful and very natural looking, and it's from their luxury synthetic collection. Black Beauty is a hair extensions company that offers both 100% virgin human hair extensions and wigs, and also luxury synthetic dreadlocks, crochet braids, crochet curls, passion twisters, and more. If you're interested in this hair, I'll put the link in the description box below. So once I'm done crocheting, I shape it slightly to get the look that I want. I used 3.5 bundles of crochet hair for this look, and I was able to get this hairstyle in 13 minutes, excluding the braiding time. If you want to go for a longer or full length and much larger look, you might want to use 6 to 7 packs of hair. And that also depends on the size of your head and how large you want your look to be. As you can see, the hair is so beautiful and looks so natural, and it's very lightweight. It's not like heavy, or it doesn't feel heavy on your head. And I really love the thickness and the color of the hair. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.